Rightio guys, the Hot from Hop has begun. We have landed here at the Metameta River, which is just northeast of Omeo. Now, the water is a little warmer than I probably would have liked here at the moment, but we're going to have a go at some trout, see if we can't get any. Also, we'll be bait fishing for carp, trout, and obviously Macquarie perch as well, as they're all in here. Might get some low light footage, hopefully a few different species in this video. So we'll be here for about 3 or 4 days. So you'll see footage from a collection of those 3 or 4 days in this video. So without further ado, let's get stuck into it. Ooh. Moving on. A bit of a sandy bank. Let's just stand well back here because the water is very easy to see. Oh, I got to follow. Ooh, it's a good follow. See if I can't get another one following. There you go. I've seen a follow. I've seen a fish. Had a follow. He darted back under that willow there. I don't know if he saw me though. He sort of just cruised back. He didn't really take off. I'm losing my balance again here. Help if I wasn't doing that. He took off over here, so let's see if I can't look around this side here. Can he come back? No. Come on. Oh, it's only a little one. I think he got off. Yeah, he did. Might have seen the jump. Oh, well, let's go to strike. That's something. Got some pretty good aerials. Only a small fish, but I'm on. There we go, that's a better fish. That's a nice fish. It's taking me downstream. Ooh. Just zipped up the drag a little bit. Oh, jagged him underneath the, it's actually not that big, but it's nice brown trout. I've hooked him underneath underneath the fins there. It's a bit unfair, but oh, at least you guys get to have a good look at a nice brown trout anyway. So come on, mate. Healthy fish, good size. Sorry, buddy. Now, I'll get you unhooked quickly. Ooh, right in the pectoral fin. Come on. There we go. Let's hope he's all right. Yeah, he's all right. Probably a few people, fishermen on YouTube and things like that might have already mentioned that trout are very, very sensitive to hot weather. So it's really important, really, really good idea to get them back in the water as quick as possible, just to ensure that we don't overstress the fish and they end up dying, because they're very susceptible to death if they're kept out of the water too long. He took off pretty quickly though, so and I didn't keep him hooked for very long, so that is good. Now, 1 score on the board. That's not a bad trout. It's not a very fair catch, I guess you could say. I would like to hook one that actually eats the bait. That'd be nice. But you guys got a good look at him anyway. He was not a bad fish. Right in that deep section there he was. So they're sitting in the deeper water, that's for sure. Had one hook up before. It was only a littly. How are we going, people?
Hello. What is...
I am walking around with my phone, and we are at Camp Waddington, where the old man, the legend himself, who actually taught me some, maybe all of what I know. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, good stuff. Family is very important to me, so I will involve my family in my content if I can. My wife doesn't like being on camera though, so she may be very hard to get on. So we're over here. We've got my car set up with my awning and all my kitchen and everything like that. We've got the wife hiding away in the tent there because she knows the camera's out. And we've got the sleepy old dog here, just the usual stuff as normal. Here he is over here, having a good old snooze behind me. Big old Zeph. Stay tuned, there'll be more. I'm on. That's actually not a bad size either. That's a good sized trout. Probably similar size to what I caught yesterday, only this one is a fair catch. There we go. All right, mate, calm down. I'm going to let you go in a minute. Just got to get you to me. All right, calm your farm. Jesus. Come on. Good sized trout. This one's a male. Hang on a second, I've got to get the hook out of here. Ooh, barely hooked. Alrighty. Whoop, 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 whoop. Come here. Lovely brown trout. There we go. Lovely, lovely. He's had a cormorant had a go at him. He's got a little mark, a little scar. And then he goes. Just down here. He's cruising off. Pick up your rod, take up a little bit of slack, see if he's in there. Is he still there? Oh, there you go. That's a good carp.
It's a good carp, love.
That's it. Come, let me come bring him around this way.
Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
That's it. Tighten your drag a little bit.
Bring the thing, love. Really? I grabbed the thing. Where is he?
He's got us wrapped around a heap of trees here.
Oh, you grab that one. You go there.
Grab the net, love. Grab the net.
I mean,
He's about 2.5 foot long.
where? Oh, that's a big.
It's a monster.
Woo! I hold on.
Got this bit of bark here, mate.
Otherwise, I all these.
Alright. Can you reach him with the net there?
No, love. You're right. I hold
Oh, we have to drag him back this way. Bring him this way.
Okay.
Back towards the tree here. Oh, he got off. Oh, I'm on. I'm on as well. I don't think it's as big. Am I recording still? I am.
I try to get in here. Bring in there, love.
Yeah.
Where is
It's similar size, love.
Bring the
He's
one
not
there.
fighting as hard, so I'll be able to... You grab the rod this time, I'll get him in the net.
Okay.
Alright?
I'll put him there.
Oh. He's got me in the weeds here. I don't know. Nah. He got me off. Well, that's 2 carp. 2 losses of carp. And I would have loved to have gotten. They're that lazy, you don't even know they're on the bloody line. I said they're that lazy, you don't even know they're on the line. Don't want to lose this one.
Love, hold on. Give me a rod. I will check the rod first.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, give me. Ow.
Where is he? Watch the snags. Come here, mate.
Come on, love.
You grab the rod.
Okay,
Bring him up to me. Don't wind, just drag him towards the net. Drag him towards the net. There we go.
Oh.
Grab the net. There you go. Jonah's just got a ripper of a carp. Holy moly. Now bring him up. We don't want to lose this one. There we go. Our strategy worked. Bring him straight to us. We're going to sneak over to the other campers. Checking out the abodes of others. We have Mother over here. Here she is. She's chilled out. She's all fished out today. Say hello.
Hello.
We've got the nice camper trailer here. She's set up. They came a couple of days ago. We've got the poochers in tow. All having fun.
Hey, on, Kate. Look what you're missing out on.
My sister couldn't come this year, hence why Donnie's saying hello, Kate. If you're watching this, Kate, suck shit, but we'll see you next time. There you are. Don't spike me, little dude. I'm trying to help you out. There we go. A wee perch. Come down there. Watch him go. Here he is. Alright. Jonah's got a little carp.
Yep.
That's good. You wanted to catch one, so this one's not getting away. It's like the others.
There we go.
Carp?
Yes, carp.
Wait, that's the end of our... That means that's the end.
Okay, you happy you caught a carp?
Yeah.
Good night, carp. Is that a nice follow? Just a big follow then. Is that a nice follow? Took off into this deep water here. Hopefully I can get him to come back. That was a nice fish. It's a nice rise up ahead. Little one, jumping away there. Might get that little one. Oh, we hit it. It's not following it anymore. I think he had a bit of a go, but didn't want to go anymore. Had a hit. Had a hit. A little headbutt from about 20 centimetre little trout. It is better than nothing. I want to catch something. Come on. Alright guys, this footage is the last of my Meta River footage. Nice low light for you. Beautiful, beautiful river. But exciting news is next stop will be probably somewhere around the Ovens River, somewhere between Harrietville and Bright maybe, as we're going over Mount Hotham, hence why this sort of, I guess it's a series. It's not really a series, but just a group of videos that I'm doing. It's called the Hotham Hop. So we've done a bunch of stream hopping over the last couple of days, or spot hopping I should say. It's pretty much the same river all the way through, the Meta River, but just different sections of it, mainly based in the Omeo Valley areas. So really enjoyed making this video. If you would like to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget to support the channel by liking this video. Really appreciate your time. Just keep flicking.